How does mediation work in Washtenaw County Circuit Court? If you're a small business owner outside Michigan dealing with a legal dispute in Washtenaw County, home to Ann Arbor and the University of Michigan, you might be wondering how mediation fits into the local court process. Let's walk through what you need to know. Mediation is a confidential, voluntary process where a neutral third party called a mediator helps disputing parties communicate and explore options for resolving their conflict. Unlike a judge, the mediator doesn't decide the case but facilitates a conversation aimed at finding common ground. In Washtenaw County Circuit Court, mediation is commonly used in both civil and domestic cases. For civil disputes, like contract issues or business disagreements, the court may order mediation to encourage settlement before trial. In domestic cases, such as divorce or custody matters, mediation is often required to help families reach agreements without prolonged litigation. So, let's talk about how the mediation process works. The court might refer your case to mediation, or you and the other party can decide to mediate voluntarily. Now, the court provides a list of approved mediators, and you can choose one from this list or agree on another qualified mediator. Once you've selected a mediator, a session is scheduled at a time that's convenient for everyone involved. Sessions can be held in person or virtually, depending on what works best for you. During the session, each party presents their perspective, and the mediator facilitates the discussion, helping to identify issues and explore potential solutions. If an agreement is reached, it's then put in writing and submitted to the court for approval. If not, well, the case continues through the standard court process. In Washtenaw County, mediation services are provided by court-approved mediators, or the parties may choose their own. These mediators are trained professionals who adhere to strict confidentiality and neutrality standards. Mediation is generally less expensive than going to trial. Resolving disputes through mediation can be quicker than the traditional court process. Unlike court trials, mediation sessions are private. Parties have more control over the outcome, as they work collaboratively to reach a solution. To learn more about mediation in Washtenaw County Circuit Court, visit the court's official website and navigate to the Alternative Dispute Resolution section. Here, you'll find resources, forms, and contact information to help you get started. Mediation offers a practical path to resolving disputes in Washtenaw County Circuit Court. By understanding the process and utilizing available resources, you can navigate your legal challenges more effectively. For personalized legal assistance, consider reaching out to a local attorney at Tishkoff PLC, experienced in Michigan's mediation procedures.